also want to do some waterproof test of these products. Let's take a close look. From the size you can see this product is designed for outdoor activity goers, and we also see a handle here. You can just use a hook to hang on your backpack, and also you can also to put it in your pocket because the size is really small but the sound is really good. Now I'm going to play some music. That's my favorite song, See You Again. Do you like it?
It's been a long day.
Now I'm going to do the waterproof test. Now here I use the sink and some water. You want stronger? From where we began. The sound is still so good. Let's do it again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about.
If you are interested, just contact with us. Thank you. Bye.